Hi luxurious queens, welcome back to Life with Lokie, and I hope you enjoyed last week's video of the Lyonnaise silk screen printing and block printing process, where I visit the atelier in Lyon and learn all about the trade. If you've missed those videos, then be sure to click on the link up here and down in the description section below. Today, I will bring you across to the northeast of France and visit the city of Strasbourg, where what was exciting to us was La Petite France, which is a very charming part of the city with the canals, half-timbered houses and quaint little shops. But we also stumbled on an Hermès boutique while exploring the city of Strasbourg. And guess what Missy scored this time? Well, if you're new here, hello my queens, my name is Lokie and I enjoy chit-chatting about luxury, shopping, experiences and reviews. I enjoy shopping from vintage to pre-loved and brand new, so if you're also another bargain hunter like me, then why not hit that subscribe button and join my family. Okay, let's jump right into my Hermes haul from Strasbourg. So we were there first thing in the morning, way before the boutique opened. We explored the city first, then made it back just before boutique opening. We were greeted very kindly by a bright-eyed SA and connected with her on so many levels. I will perhaps do a video on my Strasbourg Hermes experience next video, but today let's focus on the haul first. In my entire Paris trip, I have to say my Hermes Strasbourg experience was the most memorable, my favoritist, and also my largest haul. So, I was after a few scarves in my trip, and throughout all the other boutiques I visited, most of them were out of stock. However, a quick search on the SA's iPad could tell us that the Strasbourg boutique had a few in stock, so I knew I will definitely be in luck this time round. I have two beautiful scarf picks from the season. Would you like to give a guess? So, my first lucky score is this gorgeous scarf in the 90 by 90 centimeters called the, oh my god, can you see the color is super gorgeous. Honestly, I've never seen this kind of blue in most of Hermes scarf designs, but I was captivated. So this is called the La Salle Imaginaire by Jean Baptiste in this really gorgeous pop of color. I recall watching another YouTuber do an unboxing of this exact scarf in this exact colorway, and I was completely blown away by the gorgeous contrast of pinks and blues. So there's a pink that I was totally in love with. This very nice pop of pink with the contrasting blue. I also love this candy bubblegum colored pink, super gorgeous. Now this scarf has beautiful pinks and blues, hence I was set on getting it in my collection. This scarf has beautiful animal prints like this, and the animal prints and textures is beautifully showcased here and reflects the complexity of the silk screen technique. Now, knowing how accurate and intricate each color screen has to fit within the frame to create the blend of colors, I am so much more appreciative of this scarf. Now let's see what we can wear, how we can wear this gorgeous scarf to showcase the many beautiful prints and colors. But so gorgeous, let's just sling it around myself and just see how it works on me. So, well, let's see. Love the blue, really love the blue. This colorway is gorgeous. I love the pinks, like here, like such. I think this could go really nicely. But if you want to showcase a little bit more of the pink and the blues, yeah, you could go this way. Or we could do a nice contrasting color like such, like here. This is also very pretty. Like it's just to show all the abstract details on one side of the scarf. Where's that nice pink that I like? Yes, so this is one of the nice details I like about the scarf here. So this is really gorgeous, and it's they have a few more of these in the boutique, so it was not the last piece, which I was quite glad. So thankful that the SA actually helped me check out the inventory at Strasbourg for me. So that was really nice of them. Yeah, so you can tell that they're not like, you know, obviously wanting to make a sale because they just want the best for you. Alright, so now my second lucky score is yet another scarf, and this is also in the 90 by 90 cm silk, called the, let's just put it here. I know it's very safe, probably something like more my personality. It's very safe. And so this is, can you guess, so gorgeous. It is called the Square 90 Light Dress in the colorway gray, and it's supposed to show a horse in the colorway gray, coral and powder pink. Now this design reminds me of the Asian cheongsam. It is designed by Theo D. Guzzi and features the return of spring with a horse filled with flowers and leaves from all over the world. Now this gorgeous scarf is a work of art to me, and definitely very wearable if I decided to dress down in neutrals. I love how the coral pink complements the grey, and the white edging of the scarf is a nice twist to the details. So I may actually use this more as a work of art and just hang it around the house. But let's see how it will look on myself if I decided to wear it. I would want to showcase some of the prints on the front, so I guess wearing it like this is a nice touch if I get to showcase some of more of the flowers. Yes, like this. This is nice. Isn't it nice? Like the grey and the pinks. So nice, so gorgeous. What do you think? Alrighty-o. So now what's in this larger box is something I have been wanting and talking about for a while. I actually almost purchased this on my last trip, but it was not in my size, and right forward 6 months later, I finally caved and found this gorgeous, no surprise, it's a shoe. I found this gorgeous Paris loafers in suede, in teal blue, in palladium hardware. Well, I really love covered shoes and was between a few of the shoe designs, but I enjoy the spacious interior of this pair around the toe box area. I know Fabulous Amy did an amazing comparison of some of her loafers, and certain designs has a bit of a narrower and flatter toe box, so do take that into consideration. I can imagine this pair will be easy to match with jeans or anything casual. It can be both dressed up or down as well, which makes it an absolute must-have in my wardrobe. So I'm really glad to have scored this gorgeous yet somewhat unique pair in this boutique. So happy. I think this is one of the new colors, I'm not sure, but there was another choice with like a dusty pink, and yeah, and if you are more into the leather ones, there was like a light creamy colored one as well, but with the very bold lining, like the piping of the black piping was very visible. Okay, so this is one of my favorite buys and very practical buys as well on this trip. And next up is one of my favorite purchases in my entire trip, and now this piece comes from the fine jewelry department, and I must say it is very sought after, as I hunted this all over Paris before I landed with this piece in my size. Now it comes in a gorgeous white bridal series box, as they ran out of the normal black ones, but I must be so lucky because I've never seen one like this, and it makes it so much more special. Now introducing to you this very special scallop ring in 1 diamond in rose gold. So I'm not sure if you can tell, but so gorgeous. And this comes in 1 diamond, and I've been so mesmerized by this shape, including the silver scallop ring too, and would take whatever if they had it in my size. And lucky me, my SA managed to find it in my size, so I think this ring is really fated to be mine. So I will try to put a close-up for you somewhere on screen, but this ring is so intricately crafted in the shape of a horse head with a small diamond on the forehead. It is the understated luxury and simple design that I adore, and if you know it, you know it. So nice. Gorgeous, isn't it? Right, so that's another lucky score from Strasbourg. And let's see what's next. Now, the next lucky find I never thought I needed was this Chandon bracelet. Ta-da! Now, I was quite surprised to find that this fit me so well. I remember ranting about how small my wrists are, and it is always so hard to find wristlets or bracelets. I was initially after the cuff version, but since they were out of stock, the SA offered to show me the other bracelets they had in stock. I was really thrilled to find out that this actually fit me so well. So, and I did not have to remove any links at all, so I will try to put it on myself. Let's see if I'm successful. I know I'm having a bit of a trouble. Okay, there you go. So it actually worked quite well like that. It doesn't really fall that low. So I'm really small wrist. So if you are you like petite size like me, then I think this could work quite well for you too. So I find that the silver jewelry collection in Hermes is equally stunning, and I have a few pieces of them now that are so iconic and classic of Hermes. So you will definitely catch me wearing this bracelet a lot more in my videos. And so that's another happy lucky find. And now guess what is in this little orange box? I actually think that this is quite cute. It is none other than a very iconic, let's see if I got it right first, because I just have so many orange boxes here. Yes, I got it right. So this is none other than our very iconic Cadena lock in permabrass hardware as a scarf ring. It still has all the stickers on it, and it looks very much like the lock you find on the Kelly or Birkin. Below here it says Hermes made in Italy on the base, and it comes with this non-detachable loop. I was thinking if I could play around with this Cadena lock and thread this through like a long necklace to make it more versatile and wear it in more ways than one, like a necklace, or can even use it like a key charm, or definitely a scarf ring for sure. So I think this is kind of cute. Size wise, it's certainly a little bit smaller than the actual Cadena lock for a Kelly or Birkin. So I think that's kind of cute to actually own something random. And of course, good things have to come to an end. And my final piece from the Strasbourg haul is one of these items. Hang on, let's just check if it's correct first. I have too many. What was this? Is this right? I think so. Okay, so it is this, comes in this gorgeous box, and it is a belt in this very, very unique very unique buckle. I think it's like a Chandon looking buckle, and I chose again very classic colors, and this is in yellow gold, but super cute. And I chose the colors in Etude and Blanc, which is white. I have a few larger 32mm size belts from Hermes already, but lately I feel that the thinner, more slender ones are easier to use for everyday wear and doesn't stand out too much. So let's pop it on to see how it looks. Yeah, so this is so much slimmer than the other belts I have. So you can see how gorgeous it would look like this. And if I try it on this dress, it looks quite elegant, the colorway. Let's turn it around to see if the blanc would look nice as well. You know what, I already bet you it does. But let's just show you. So this is how it looks. Very nice colors. This is how it looks on my dress. So it's very neutral, yet I think you can go with so many even colored floral dresses of mine. So I love it. Yeah, so I decided to go with colors I didn't have instead of the normal black and gold. So I'm quite glad I made a choice. I think the white is a very nice color and the yellow gold stands out quite a lot. Well, we have come to the end of my beloved Hermes Strasbourg haul. I was quite impressed with the selection at this boutique, given that the other major Paris boutiques were sold out in so many of these items. Overall, I enjoyed my shopping experience, which I will talk about next week, and something really special that happened to me. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed today's haul, and do remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up to support a small YouTuber like myself. Thank you and take care, queens. Goodbye!